Hello students, as in the last lecture we saw two sums based on the triangle. So now we'll take some few more example based on the triangle as well as in quadrilateral. Okay, so here in this example we have the measures of angles of the triangle are in ratio. So here we have, it is clearly mentioned that it's a triangle. Yes or no? It is a triangle. So triangle having the sides in ratio, as I explained, as I told in the last lecture also, whenever we have the angles or sides in ratio, the ratio it is not the actual answer, so we'll convert this ratio by taking, let the common multiple be x. So this will be 3x, this will be 7x, and this will be 8x. As here we have the angle now. Okay, so we'll consider this triangle as ABC. Okay, so measure of angle A will be 3x, measure of angle B will be 7x, and C will be 8x. And then we have to find their measure in degree as well as in radian. So in both the system we have to find the answer, degree as well as in radian. Okay, so please I will say that you have to try this sum by yourself, as this is a basic and a common sum. Just now only we had tried one sum based on the ratio. So this sum it is for you all as a homework. So your measure of angles of the triangle are in ratio. So first step, you will start with writing, let ABC be the triangle. So as the angles are in ratio, so let the common multiple be x. So A will be 3x, B will be 7x, and C will be 8x. Okay, rest we know that the property with angles and with respect to its triangle is what? The sum of the interior angle of the triangle is 180. Okay, so where you will get 7, 3, 10, 18 x equals to 180, where you will get the value of x as 10. Substitute the value, you will get the answer of angle A, B and C in degree. Okay, then convert that degree into radian. I hope you all can try this sum by yourself. Okay, so please try this sum and take this sum as homework. So let's move on to the next example. So here the next question is what? The one angles of the quadrilateral as measure 2 pi by 5. So here clearly mentioned that it is a quadrilateral. As it is a quadrilateral, we know that which property we have to use. We have to apply the sum of the measure of interior angle of the quadrilateral is what? 360. So here we'll take this quadrilateral as ABCD. Okay, so let ABCD be the quadrilateral in which the measure of angle will consider as 2 pi by 5, and the remaining angles are in ratio. So we know that the ratio, it is not the actual answer, so this angle will be 2x, 3x and 4x. And simply apply the property, which one? The sum of the interior angle of the quadrilateral. Now it is a quadrilateral, so it will be 360. Okay, so let's try this sum. So you will write the solution. Let ABCD be the quadrilateral such that in which the measure of angle A is 2 pi by 5. So we know that we are comfortable in solving the sum with respect to a degree. So we'll convert this radian. Wherever you see degree, will convert that. Wherever you see radian, will convert that radian into degree and will solve the sum further. Yes or no? So into simply multiply by 180 upon pi. So it will get converted into degree. So this pi will get cancelled. Okay, so this 5 ones are 5, 36 are 36, 2 side is 72. Okay, now we know that since the other three angles are in what? They are in ratio, as we know that the angles cannot be in ratio. So let the common multiple be x. So let the angles be 2x, 3x and 4x. So we'll take measure of angle B as 2x, measure of angle C as 3x and measure of angle D as 4x. Got the point? So we know that the sum of the angles of the quadrilateral is 360. So we'll apply the property angle A plus angle B plus measure of angle C plus measure of angle D is equals to 360. So here if you want you can write the reason. The sum of the angles of the quadrilateral is 360. So angle A is what? 72 degree. Angle B is 2x. Angle C 3x. Angle D 4x equals to what? 360. So therefore 3, 4, 5, 9x will be equal to what? 360 minus 72. Yes or no? So 360 minus 72 will be what? 288. So therefore x will be equals to 288 upon 9. So 9 ones are 9 threes are 27. One carry here. So 9 twos are 18. So here we left with 32. So x will be what? 32 degree. So now in the next step, as we know that measure of angle B is what? 2x. So this will be what? 2 into 32. Okay. So this will be 64 degree. So therefore angle C will be what? It is 3x. So that means 3 into 32. It is 96 degree. And angle D is what? 4x. So 4 into 32. It is 128 degree. Rest after that you have to convert this degree into radian. So we know the conversion is what? 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radian. Okay, I hope the remaining part you can try by yourself. Simply you have to convert this degree into radian by using this conversion. 1 degree is equals to pi by 180. Okay, so please try the remaining part by yourself. Okay, even this sum also you have to try by yourself. Okay, so take this part as homework and even this section also. So let's check, or we'll move on to the next new types of sums. Okay, instead of taking the same and same again and again and the same sums based on triangle in the quadrilateral. So now we'll move on to some different sum, as now we had completed the sums based on what? Triangle, quadrilateral. Okay, so now we'll take one sum where we'll see, after reading the question you will get a two linear equation and how to solve, how to tackle a two linear equation to get the answer of x and y. So here we have the next question is what? The sum of two angle is 5 pi radian and their difference is 60 degree, and then you have to find the measures in degree. Okay, so here we have sum of two angle. Sum of two angles. So we don't know the angle. That two angle is what? Whether it is 30, 40, 50, 60. So here the simply it says that the sum of the two angle is 5 pi radian and its difference is what? 60 degree. So we'll consider the two angle as x and y. So sum will be what? X plus y equals to 5 pi radian, and difference means what? Minus. So difference between means what? minus, sum means plus, so difference is what, 60 degree. So after reading this question, we come to the conclusion that here we got a two linear equation. Why it is a linear equation? As clearly we can see that the power of the variable is what, 1. But here one equation it is in radian and one equation it is in degree. So we'll convert this radian into degree, as we know that we are comfortable in solving the sum with respect to degree. And after that, I hope you all might be knowing how to solve a two linear equation simultaneously, as there are many other methods like substitution method, Cramer's rule, but you have to stick with the simultaneous method only. Okay, I hope you all might be knowing how to solve the simultaneous equation. By adding, subtracting the equation number 1 and 2, you will get the answer of x and y. Okay, so let's start with the sum now. So here first we'll write, let the, as we have to find the measures in degree, so let the degree measure of the angle be x and y. Yes or no? Okay, so here we have x and y. So according to the first condition, as it says that the sum of two angle is what, 5 pi. Okay, 5 pi. So therefore x plus y is equals to 5 pi. But we'll convert this radian into degree. Yes or no? So you will write 1 radian is equals to 180 upon pi. Yes or no? So pi will get cancelled. So here 18 5 it is 90. So here this will be 900. So here we got the first equation, that is x plus y equals to 900. So here we got the first linear equation. And according to the second condition, so it says that the their difference is 60 degree. So therefore that means difference means minus. So x minus y equal to what, 60 degree. As already the angle it is in degree, so we'll give this equation as equation number 2. And I hope you all might be knowing how to solve a linear equation simultaneously. So we'll add this two equation, adding. Why adding? Because this y will get cancelled here. It is on you. You can add this both the equation or subtract also. So now for a while I will consider that you all might be knowing how to solve a simultaneous equation. Okay, adding equation number 1 and equation number 2. So therefore x plus y equals to 900, and second is what, x minus y equals to 60. So this is equation number 1, equation number 2. So adding, yes or no? So we'll add, so this will be minus, add, so y will get cancelled, so this will be 2x, this will be 960. Yes or no? So therefore x will be equals to 960 upon 2, so 2 ones are 2, 480s are. So your x will be what, 480. After that we know that how to find the second variable. Substitute x equals to 480 in any one of the equations. So we'll substitute in equation number 1. So what is the equation number 1? X plus y equals to 900. So therefore x is what? X is what? 480 plus y equals to 900. So therefore y will be equals to what? 900 minus 480. So here 900 minus 480 will be what? 420. So here we got the answer of y also, that is 420. Okay, so hence here we can write hence the degree measure of two angles are 480 and 420 degree. Yes or no? And we can check our answer is right or wrong. Your one answer is what? 480, and second one is 420. Simply substitute the value of x and y in any one of this equation and check whether we are getting the right hand side. So 480 plus 420, it is 900. 480 minus 420, it is 60. So here this answer is what? Perfect. So in this way you can verify your answer of x and y, whether the answer of x and y is correct or incorrect. Simply substitute the value and check. 480 plus 420, we are getting 900, and 480 minus 420, we are getting 60. Yes, the answer is perfect. I hope you all understood this types of sum also how to tackle. Okay, read the question, try to convert the statement into equation form, where you will get two equation. As we know that a two equation, it's a proper linear form. So we know that whenever it is a linear equation, how to solve a two linear equation simultaneously. Okay, so where you will get the value of x and y. Okay, so let's take one more sum based on this type.